Want to unfollow someone but need to know if Instagram will notify them or not? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through if people know if you unfollowed them on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Now, search the profile of the person that you want to unfollow. Then simply tap on the following icon. Then tap on Unfollow. Now I switch the account. Then tap on the heart icon at the top. As you can see, there's no notification of the person unfollowing me. If I go to their account, it still doesn't show if they're unfollowing me or not, as I'm still following them. Hence, people will not know if you unfollow them. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.